guys, welcome to Knox Locks. Today, it's either going to be a victory or a whipped for this guy here. Now this is Snake's silent sleeper or silent killer, however you want to say it. It's not officially named, I'm naming it. I'm just saying, I'm going to show you what the problem is besides the silent latch that you just didn't not hear. Yeah, it's open. So it's dead shackle or dead cord, no spring. But here's where the problem lies. Okay, you definitely need a medium pick so that you do not overset in the bitting. Let's see. Right here. So as you're setting that, you could already see the problem. So no problem with the highs, medium situation here, but also when the low and then the high, that last cut comes into play. That's where you have to try not to overset this guy, and then this guy drops back down. So we're literally talking about pin 4, 5. Yeah, hold on. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 5, 4, 5, 6. Sorry. Woo. Come on, shake. 4, 5, 6 is where there's a little 1, 2, 3 problem of them dropping back down. So we're at 1:30. I'm going to give this a go. Let's see. I'm going to be using bottom of keyway on this. Actually, hold on. For people stream bloody murder about top of keyway here, I'll shoot. There's a little something to the lock, but I'm going to try. Hold on. If I can. Sorry for the time off camera. I'm not working at my usual spot with my usual tools. Okay, so I got a tight angled top of keyway, and when that hits 2 minutes and 30 seconds rather, I'm gonna dive in there. All right, 220. This is a beautiful pick made by Lockpick and Dev. Shout out, brother. All right, come on, Snake. I'm coming to get you now. All right, pin 1. Spring, pin 2, pin 3, pin 4 binding. Gotta click, come back out. Hold on. Pin 1, springy, pin 2, springy, pin 3, spring 4, spring 5. There we go. Click on 5. 6 is binding. Gotta click at a 6. Nothing else back there. Okay. Back out to 1. Nothing. 2. Gotta click on 2. Could click on 3. Click on 4. Now, this is where the problems start. Okay. 4 is a good click. 5 counter rotation. Okay, I just got 5 set. Now, I'm feeling the counter. If you can see my thumbs pushing back. Now, this is where shit goes sideways. There you go. Okay. Ooh, I got that back pin set. Okay. And that last is still not binding. All right. Back to the front. Click on 1. Oh, 2 got counter rotation. All right. 2's It's okay. 3. Gotta click on 4. Nothing and nothing. Okay. Going back out. Got nothing on 1. Click on 2. Click on 3. Counter rotation on 4 again. Gotta click. Okay. Sorry, I should focus a little more on the camera. Let's see. Getting this. There you go. Sorry, I was so focusing on the lock. I wasn't really sharing the open with you guys. 3's moving, 4, got a click. 5, got a click. 6, nothing. Just so you know, I'm pulling the shackle on the bottom of my ring finger, just with how it's a dead shackle. I mean, yeah, the core will turn, but I mean, I'm also making sure that baby pops when I get it. 1's definitely good. 2, got a click. Okay, come on, baby. 3, okay. 4 feels funny. The whole core moves. I'm at least calling out the pins, hopefully, when I send this back to Snake today. Ah, that really just happened. Whoo, whipped it is. Shit, because I gotta get this off to the post office fast. I was just taking a break between taping up my chips here to get these out. I got packages for Not Ginger, Sadistic. God, who else? I forget. I got Nick's Picks. That's his sticker there. That's got to go today. Not Ginger. Oh, duh. Snake. Wow. Yeah. Smoke another one, Knox. But, yeah. Thanks for watching. There's another thing that I was going to use on there. This is my old homemade 20,000th monkey's paw. And then that Southward all-metal handle gives great feedback. And I use it upside down intentionally. Just the way I like the way it feels when I'm... Hey, if I want to talk some shit, might as well go back to picking, right? But, yeah, essentially I like the way I'm able to do that with my hand as opposed to when it's upside down. Like, I know it's meant to sit in your hand proper, but I kind of like the upside down way a little better. Let's see, maybe with bottom of keyway it might have a little quicker luck. I doubt it though. Yeah, I hope you guys watch my monkey paws videos coming out. I really show how I center the middle of the paw and I shave it down quite a good bit to make it, I don't know, a little more friendly, I suppose. Wow, I cannot believe I slipped. Yeah, I'm not working with my normal tools here, so I don't have top of keyway pry bars. I do have the, I mean, this is what I've been just carrying around every day, kind of go to. It's just with the warding or the plate that's on here, these little top of keyway guys don't fit. So I was trying to force fit that to work, but yeah, we saw the consequences. Okay. And I've had plenty of time to work with this guy. Snake has been more than gracious with the time period. I just did not want to make my first whipped video. That's the truth. That's why I haven't seen me pick the Bosnian bill lock I have either. It's I don't want to be whipped by that. I mean, that's nothing to be ashamed of, whipped by Bill, but I'm just saying I wanted to improve my skill a little better before I went on, you know, taking on advanced challenge locks, especially in the case of Bills. Huh. I could not. All right, let me try going back to devs. I love this. These resin coated handles, man. These are called Skulls and Keys. The resin for me, again, is up there on the charts with feedback. And again, with the size of my hands, just to show you, you want to see what a sparrow's looks like. You know, so I need something a lot bigger than what Sparrows provides. Reset the tension. Oh, it's funny. 1, 2, and 3 just set so easy. And then all of a sudden you get the 4 and all the counter rotation and trouble starts. Alright, we're at 10 minutes. We're going to call it official whipped. Snake, you got me. I can't wait to see you take this apart on your video and rebuild it. See what you're going to turn it into. I mean, I can only imagine with even a more aggressive... again, you got a lot of high lows right in there. So it's... I'll show you one more time, at least for me, where the trouble starts. So, as you saw right in that last thing, easy click. 1, easy click 2. 3, high reach, don't overset 2. Click, okay. Then it's right here where your trouble begins. You have to be careful not to overset here. And at the same time, you know, that one, I guess technically would be the gatekeeper, which is normally the first one back here. But to get that last pin, dude, that's a hell of a reach. So, that's going to wrap it up. Not saying anything is possible when everything's unlockable, which apparently Snake's lock is not by Knox. Alright, whip video number 1. Time to get these packages out today. They are long overdue. Be sure to watch for Knoxtober's going on. And then I got the Lock Noob videos coming out. I think you guys will enjoy that. An ode to the dude we call Lock Noob. That's going to be one of the videos. Yeah, man. Stay tuned. See you soon. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate you. Oh, actually, hit subscribe. In my thing, I saw 99.8 of my viewers are not subscribed. That's huge, man. That's a huge. I could see if it was like 50-50 or even like 60-40 something, but 99. So just check the red thing, man. Hit it if you wanted to or meant to, and it's not. But again, I appreciate you tuning in, and see you next time.